In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam game patching games for too long. If your game seems stuck on patching forever, this walkthrough will help you clear out whatever's holding things up and get your downloads moving again. First, we want to make sure Steam isn't hung up in the background. Open Task Manager. The quickest way is to press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete at the same time, then select Task Manager from the screen that appears. Give it a second to load. If it opens in a compact view, expand it so you can see all running apps and background processes. Find Steam in the list. You might see more than one Steam entry, such as the main app and a couple of helper processes. Click the Steam app and then click End Task. This fully closes Steam so it can restart cleanly. If you had any downloads running, don't worry. They'll resume once we're done. Now reopen Steam, and at the top left of the window, click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings, and then go to the Download section. Here, click the option to clear download cache. This wipes temporary data that can cause patching to stall or loop. Steam will restart after this, and you may be prompted to sign back in. This is normal. Just have your login ready. With Steam back open, head to your library. We're going to make sure the game's files are intact in case a bad or partial patch is causing the holdup. In your library, right-click the game that's stuck patching and choose Properties. In the Properties window, select Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the local files and compare them to what the game should have. If anything's missing or corrupted, it will re-download just those parts. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed, so let it finish without interrupting it. You'll see a confirmation when the verification is complete. Once verification is done, return to the Downloads page to confirm the patch resumes properly. If it starts and progresses normally, you're all set. Clearing the cache and verifying files resolves most cases of endless patching by removing outdated temporary data and fixing damaged files. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have enough free disk space on the drive where the game is installed, and try to avoid running heavy disk or network tasks while Steam is patching. That's it. Your game should now patch and launch as expected. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.